I'm TV Sandy, artist, adventurer, tour guide. Follow me. We had a long, hard fishing day ahead of us. This is our first mishap of the day, but woo, I thought I saw a stingray. But like true champions, we're gonna get ourselves out of this mess. There's the chancla beached on a sandbar. Good job, Captain Eddie.
Yeah.
You single-handedly.
In getting us stuck.
Sean, why are you breathing so heavy?
Been doing a little pushing.
There we go, perfectly hooked. Gulp, ready to catch a trout. Is that good?